Katie Price walked off a flight from New York to Las Vegas after being told to put a mask on. The reality star chose to get off the plane and get another flight when cabin crew warned her to pull her face covering up from around her chin to over her mouth. A friend of Katie's tells The Sun, Katie was on the phone to her kids so had pulled the mask down to be heard more clearly. She was just finishing up the call when cabin crew came over and told her she needed to wear the mask over her mouth. Fellow passengers tweeted about the incident, which took place last night, claiming Katie had been thrown off the flight after refusing to wear a mask at all. But Katie's friend says, not true. She chose to exit the plane as she hadn't finished speaking to her kids. She just walked off and got the next flight out. There was no big drama. Katie's trip to Las Vegas comes amid rumors she's planning to marry fiancé Carl Woods in Sin City, before she's sentenced in her court case in December. The reality star is facing jail after admitting to driving while intoxicated, driving while banned and driving without a license. Katie and Carl landed in Vegas, which Carl calls his second home this morning, and friends say they're racing up the aisle as soon as possible. They're madly in love and want to make things official as soon as possible, says a source. She wants to become Mrs. Woods as soon as she can. Katie's rep has been contacted for comment. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.